Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar Virgin. Hey, listen up. This is all you need to do to make money online. This is brand new. Listen, write this down below. Copy and paste and get paid. That's all you have to do. Copy and paste and get paid. Comment that below real quickly here. Listen, what I want you to understand that you can make money online, and this is a very simple way to start making money. Why? So you can travel the world, so you can leave your job, so you can bless your parents, and so you can understand that making money online is easier as long as you follow the instructions here. So here we go. First step is this. It's very simple, right? Easy. All you need to do is go to a site by the name of splitly.com. Write that down, please. I'm talking to you, big head. Write that down. I'm going to show you how to make a ton of money. Listen, you don't have to buy anything. You don't have to spend a dime with this website. This is a technique that many people use, but unfortunately, the internet newbies like you don't know how to do this. Go to splitly.com. Now listen, splitly.com is nothing but a tool and a website that helps brand new Amazon people make money online. Listen, you don't have to create an Amazon product. You don't have to create an Amazon store, but I'm going to show you something that's going to blow your mind. So as you can see here, these people here, people are making a ton of money using this product just to promote Amazon stuff, right? But listen, you're not going to do that today. I'm going to show you something backdoor, and people are paying like $497 per month. Like, that's crazy, right? For this stuff. So I'm going to show you how you spending no money. You're a complete newbie. Maybe you're sitting on your bed, sitting in your chair, and maybe you're listening to me very closely right now. And I'm going to show you how to make a couple $1,000s, right? People are going to hate me on this video, but listen up. So what you want to do is this. You want to scroll down to the bottom and click on the word affiliates, okay? Boom, boom, bam, right? And understand, this is what I love about these people, because they're going to pay you 100% when you basically, someone clicks that affiliate link and the sale is made, you're going to make 100% of that. So if somebody's paying $500 a month, you're going to make $500. And it's just that easy, right? Imagine doing 2 sales every single day, just sharing that link. And I'm going to show you a backdoor way to do this, right? Because I don't want you to be spammy and taking an affiliate link and posting it all over the internet. That's stupid. You don't want to do that. You want to be smart about it, right? This is what the big guys do. Listen, if you got 2 sales every single day, that's $30,000 a month. Like, what would you do with that? Comment below. Like, we're talking about making money online. How to make money online. So this is all you have to do. It's very simple. Click on the button that says get affiliate link. Click, right? Boom. Then you need to create an account. It's very simple here. You can put in any email address that you want. I'm going to put in a fake one, right? This is fake, guys, so don't email me here, okay? But you can always smash the like. Let's get it! All right, listen. So I hit the next button, okay? Now, understand this. We're not paying anything. We're not going to pay a dime, right? So all you need to do is go up here and click on account, okay? Make sense? Click on the word affiliates. And if you look here, this is your affiliate link. See, this is backdoor. You know what? The average guy and the average girl, they're paying for it. But you don't have to pay for it to get the affiliate link. Smash the like button since I gave you those jewels, right? You don't have to pay for anything. Okay, so listen. Now, from this step on, I'm going to go very slow because it's many steps. And you have to follow through to the very end if you ever want to make money online with this technique, because I know you want to make money online today, not tomorrow, but today. And if you do this right, I promise you, I can virtually guarantee that you're going to make money online. Okay, so check it out. Now, what you want to do is this. Go to a site by the name of FreePLRdownloads.com. Okay, FreePLRdownloads.com. Understand this. Now, don't move too fast. This is how to make money online quickly. We're talking about thousands of dollars per day, sitting down, laying in your bed, butt naked, doing nothing. That's what I do every single day. Listen, PLR, this site here, you can get free ebooks for free, and you can use them for whatever, right? It's free. Look, check it out. addictions, advertising, affiliate marketing, business, clickbait, communication. So anything you can think of, you can download it for free, right? And you can use this information if you want to for yourself. You can give it to people, but I'm going to show you specifically what you need to download right now from this site so you can start making a couple of $1,000s as soon as tonight. Is that cool? All right, look, click on the word Amazon. All right, so what we're going to do for this video, we're going to click on Amazon bestseller Genie. Click on it, boom, 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 right? And all you want to do is, let's X out of that real quickly here. Scroll down to the bottom, and all you gotta do is click on this blue button, right? I'm gonna do it with you, like do it with me. Comment below, please. Let me know where you are, where you're calling from. And yes, for all you people that are not in America, this is worldwide. Smash the like button. Let's go! This is worldwide. That means you can do this, big head. All right, now look. So I just downloaded that. So I'm gonna check below. Okay, it's there, great. Now the next thing you need to do is go to a site called pdfescape.com. Okay, you see that? pdfescape.com, all right? Because what you're gonna do is that PDF that you just downloaded to your laptop, you're gonna go here, choose file, okay? Here's the file on my laptop right here, okay? And I'm gonna upload it here. Okay, give it a second. Boom, bada bing, right? Now, look at that. I have the best Amazon seller Genie program sitting on my laptop. Now it's ready for me to edit. Now, guess what? The thing about this is many people that are trying to make money on Amazon, it's a lot of those people, okay? It's millions of people that are trying to make money. Maybe 1 to 3% are actually making money. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this free ebook that you didn't create, smash the like button. You're going to take this free ebook, and all you're going to do is add your affiliate link like this. Check it out. So I'm going to go to this page right here, okay? Are you guys with me? All right, see this right here? Draw a little box like this. And then in text, you're going to put the best Amazon tool to make a ton of money online as soon as tonight. You can put that, right? See that? See how easy that was? And then what you want to do is you want to make it stand out, right? This is easy, right? This takes no skill. All you need to do is follow to the very end to this video here, right? Here we're gonna make, how about we bold it a bit? Let's make it stand out. Let's underline it as well, okay? And then as you can see here, it looks nice, right? It looks cool. But the next thing we got to do is what? We have to use our affiliate link. So we're going to go back to Spitly here. Okay, we're going to copy that. Because remember, every time they click on it and a seller is made right now to make money online using this tool, that like a lot of really good people are using this tool, you're going to make $500 like on autopilot, right? So we're going to go back here and we're going to copy and paste that, or we're going to mouse over that, right? Click the word that says link. Okay, are you with me? Give it a second, give it a second, give it a second, give it a second. Right? Then you just put the link there. Boom, okay. And listen, you basically, you just do that to different pages here. Okay? Look, you do that to different pages here. So you want to link that text just by mousing over, and as long as you link it like that here, okay? Boom. And you can do it to the other pages as well. Look, what you want to do is you want to flood that text right here that I just created for you, and you want to put it all through the book. Why? Because I'm going to show you how you're going to make a ton of money, okay? We're going to create, listen, we didn't create the book. We downloaded the book for free, right? Did you spend any money? No. Exactly. You uploaded the book to PDF Escape, and now you're going to alter the book and change it and add your affiliate link to the book. How easy is that? Like, smash the like button right now. You're about to get paid. Do you understand that? Let's go. Listen, check it out. Let me calm down because I'm excited for you. Look, you do it again, okay? If you got this, go ahead and smash the like button. Say, Wesley, I got it. Go to the next step. Look, I'll put it here. The fastest way to make money with Amazon using using this unusual tool, right? Done deal, right? Then what do? We click the link button, right? We mouse over like this. We add the link right this. Boom, boom, boom. It's done. Then once you're done, what is the next thing that you do? Well, you got it. You got to save it, okay? You save it. And all you do is you just save it to your computer. This book right here, you save it to your computer. Are you with me so far? Just save this to your computer and you're done, okay? Then what you want to do is this. Because you might say, well, okay, Wesley. So let's say that I saved it to my computer and it's right here, right? Here's the book here. It's already saved to my computer. So now what's next? You might say, well, Wesley, how do I make the money? Understand this. This ebook that you just saved to your computer, what you're going to do is you need to add it to your Google Drive. Remember, we said $1,000 per day potentially that you're going to make. So you go to googledrive.com. It's free, by the way. It's free. Just type in drive.google.com. This opens up. We go to new, right? I can do a photo upload like this and I can find it. Or, you know what? I'm just going to do a file upload. File upload here. And here it is, Amazon bestseller. Now remember, this needs to be the ebook that you put together and added your links, okay? You click on it, you're going to upload it. Boom, it's done. You see, it's right here. Here's the ebook right here. This is your book that you're going to give to people and they're going to pay you a ton of money to do that. Pay attention. Look, that's the book. So now what you're going to do, you need to go ahead and go down a bit and you need to find that book. So I'm going to find it. Where is it at? Where art thou, book? Let's see. Amazon. Locate it for me. Thank you. You want to right click on the book. You need to put share. Okay, or get link. It's important here. Are you with me? Smash the like button if you're with me right now, okay? We're talking about making money online tonight if you do this correctly, properly right now. And listen, you can always rewind the video. If I'm moving too fast, I'm sorry. I love you. But just pause the video if I'm moving too fast for you, okay? Then here, you want to click on anyone with the link can basically view it, okay? That's important. You copy the link, hit done, okay? Are you done? You see that? Amazing. Now, what's the next thing you got to do? Now, see, that's the crazy thing. Look. Check this out. So imagine basically going here to this website and having people, even if you got one person to take their book and click on that link, that's $500 a day. Right? That's insane. You're not doing any work. Now, the question is, well, okay, Wesley, how do I get traffic? Super easy. Listen, when I show you this, not only are you going to comment below, I love you, Wes. You're going to smash the like button. You're going to sub to the channel. And you're going to come to Miami right now. And we're going to go party tonight. Okay? When you make your first dollar, reach out to me and say, Wesley, this really worked. Because it does. And you really can make money online. Check it out. That's all you do. You go to facebook.com. Hello. Right, easy. Go to facebook.com and type in Amazon here, okay? Amazon, all right? And what Amazon is going to do is it's going to give you groups, okay? It's going to give you groups. Oh, let me go back here. Let's do this again. Let's go to groups here, okay? Search groups, type in Amazon, easy. Why? Because Amazon already have all the people that you need to give this free ebook to. You're not going to sell them. You're not going to give them your affiliate link. You're just going to say, hey, check out this book. If you're trying to make money online, it's a cool tool. It's a free PDF book, and it'll help you make money probably very quickly if you take action, okay? So look, Amazon, wish list. You see that? I would join all these groups. All these groups you want to join. That's 165,000 people. And the great thing about this technique is you're not being spammy and giving them your affiliate. You're giving them value. That's how you make money online fast. So look, deal of the day, Amazon bargains here. Join that group. How hard was that? Amazon codes, Amazon, how about this? Type in Amazon FBA. Those are people that's trying to make money online. Look at that. Amazon FBA private label sellers. Amazon FBA sellers. No gurus allowed. That's you. You're not a guru. You're just a young person that's trying to make some money online, right? And you got your boy Wes, and I'm helping you here, okay? You feel like the stupid things like blah, 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 whatever, submit it because you want them to add you to the freaking group. Now listen, that's 51,000 people. Once you get in that group, all you do is say, hey, I'm new to the group. Listen, this is important. Hey, I'm new to the group and I want to give some value before I ask for anything. Here's an ebook that I created that teaches new people how to start making money on Amazon. Do you know how many people are going to click that? Listen, when you get in the group, okay, all you do is take that link that you just copied here, okay? You copy that link, you paste it right in the group, okay? Does that make sense? You say, hey, check it out. It's a free link. You can paste it right there on Facebook, or you can go to a site by the name of bit.ly.com. So you can shorten the URL, okay? See, look at that. Copy, and you go back to Facebook. Make sure you join all the groups, right? And that is so easy to do. How many of you can do that? You just join all the Amazon groups of people that are trying to make money on Amazon. I just type in make money Amazon. Look at that. Look how many groups here. Look how many people that are willing to click on your link and they're going to buy because you gave them value first. And once they open up your book, right? For example, right here, boom, I create a post. I want to intro myself. I am a newbie, but I want to give value first. You know, something like that. And you just put the book, say, hey, here is a free ebook to learn how to become a bestseller. I mean, man, I know people that do this every single day. 14-year-olds, 88-year-olds, old people, young people, anybody can do this. Hey guys, if I gave you massive value, go ahead and smash the like button right now. You can just put much love Wes, or much love whoever your name is, or much love Big Head, because you probably got a big head, I'm not sure. And they click on that, and they're gonna see the ebook, right? See, this link right here, it's gonna open up to this right here. Boom, 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 right? They're gonna see the ebook, but they're gonna see your links. Does that make sense? And then you're gonna start to get paid. How many of you right now, comment below, can do that right now? How many of you believe I gave massive value, so you're willing to smash the like button right now? If you think I deserve a sub, thank you so much. I'm going to always create more videos for you every single day. It's all about you. But remember this, before I let you go, in life, you don't get what you want, you get what you picture. Motivated, dedicated, let's go.